Achoo! Achoo!
Miles, you want to stand up?
You stand right here? Stand right there.
Oh,
Give him a hug. Look right here, look right here. Peekaboo, pop, pop, pop.
Miles, big teeth.
Miles, where'd you go? Miles, where are you? There you are. Oh, where'd you go? Miles, oh, I see you. Miles, oh, where'd you go? I'm gonna come get you guys. I'm gonna come get you. Oh, yay! Miles, can you give him a kiss? Give him a kiss. Can you give him a kiss? Give him a kiss. Oh, yay! Will you sit down next to him? Climb up there with him.
Can you sit down next to
Climb
Mateo?
up on the couch. Can you climb up on the couch?
Can you sit next to Mateo? Thank you.
Oh, look at you, big boy. Ow! Peekaboo. Hey, you. I see you. I see you. Go get him. Go get him. You go give him a hug.
Go give
Go give
Mateo.
him a hug. I'll give it to you if you sit up there. You gotta sit up there first, though.
She's never sat.
Ready? Okay, we gotta scoot close. You ready? We're gonna go like this.
Good job.
Here we go. Miles, ready?
So nice.
Oh, ow! Achoo! Give me a smile. Give me a smile. Where'd it go? Give me a smile. Oh, give me a smile. I'll bring it over there, but you gotta give me a smile. Ready?
Can you smile with your teeth, Miles?
Show me your teeth.
Smile with your teeth.
I don't think you have teeth. You have a tongue. Where's your teeth? There they are. Oh, perfect. Oh, ready? Oh. Perfect. Okay, we'll lift them up. I'll change them around a little bit.
I just want to like hold your face.
Okay, when we're done, you get to hold on to it, okay?
Ready?
Alright. Okay. And then I'm going to try one other thing with those guys. Sorry, I'm going to move this out here.
Oops, excuse me.